Unlock the secrets. Mastering, get the inside track. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that can unlock new levels of understanding in both casual and professional conversations. We're talking about get the inside track. This phrase is a powerful tool in English, and we're here to explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it effectively. So, let's get started and master this phrase together. Get the inside track is an idiomatic expression used to describe having a special advantage or access to exclusive information that puts someone in a better position compared to others. It's often used in contexts where having insider knowledge or a particular advantage can significantly impact outcomes, such as in competitions, business deals, or any scenario where having a leg up is beneficial. This phrase originally comes from the world of horse racing, where the inside track, the path closest to the inner part of the racecourse, is considered to have a shorter distance to travel, giving the racer on that path an advantage over competitors. Over time, the expression transcended the realm of sports and began to be used in various contexts to describe any situation where having an advantage or privileged access could make a difference. To use this phrase effectively, it's important to understand the context in which it's most appropriate. Here are a few examples to illustrate its usage. 1. In a job search, thanks to my mentor's advice, I feel like I've got the inside track on landing this job. 2. In business, our partnership with the leading tech firm gives us the inside track in developing innovative solutions. 3. In personal achievements, having access to exclusive study materials gave her the inside track to ace the exam. By using "get the inside track" in your conversations, you not only enrich your English but also convey a nuanced understanding of situations that involve strategic advantages. To truly master "get the inside track," try incorporating it into your daily conversations or writing. Reflect on situations in your life where you had an advantage, no matter how big or small, and describe those moments using this phrase. Practice will not only build your confidence but also enhance your fluency in using English idioms naturally. And that's a wrap on Get the Inside Track. We hope this exploration has given you a deeper understanding of this insightful phrase and how it can add richness to your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning!